Right, welcome to my little how-to video on how to remove the sticky residue from stickers or sellotape, etc. Once you've removed a sticker, you often get this sticky residue, and even here I've tried to rub it off using soap and water. Unfortunately, it's still stuck on. You can remove the sticky stuff with a lot of elbow grease and water. Or there's one really easy way. Meet WD-40 silicone spray. Right, now you're either going to want a rag, or in this case we're going to actually take the kit plate off. But you want a rag, and you want a sponge, and a little bit of water, but get a scour sponge, get your WD-40, spray some on, don't need tons, should have put that there really, but it's old carpet, doesn't matter, and then just rub with your sponge, and just like that, that really hard sticky stuff will just come off like it's nothing. Look at that, spotless. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So now your sticky residue is all gone, and your washing machine, or just any general appliance, looks better. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful to do your own at home. We'll just stick this back on before the end of the video. There we go, back on. Thank you for watching.